Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. Do you want to install the Goldenwrench Blackline cap covers in your car? I'll show you how. Alright guys, so if you followed along with my previous M2, you saw I had Blackline Goldenwrench covers in that car as well. So I could not wait to have them in this car. So if you don't know what these are these fantastic cap covers that you can get and put out through your engine bay and even your gas cap on your car. And they have a plethora of colors. And then in addition, they have a new feature. You can actually have them paint them and match individual colors. So if you really have one of those really awesome individual colors from BMW, Goldenwrench can now match that color. Now in my case, I needed red, so I didn't do the individual color. This is a standard color, and it's also going to match the rest of the access through my engine bay. Now, this is going to be one of the easiest DIYs we've ever done. It's going to take longer to explain than it is to actually do the work. But let's jump over the engine bay really quick. I'm going to show you how you do this, and then you can do this yourself in less than 5 minutes. All right, so here is the entire set for the G87, and I'm really psyched to have these in the car. And this is as easy as it possibly gets. So each cap comes with 3M adhesive that's already pre-cut and good to go. So you just take it out of the little baggie, stick it in place. For these caps, they actually come in 3 pieces, one on each side, one down the middle. Same thing for the gas cap on this side, just like that. Now there is one exception, which is the washer fluid, which I'll talk about here in a second. But basically, just put the 3M adhesive in place and then just set the cap on. And what I like to do is I like to line them up so in their default position, they're the most readable they're going to be right from the front. So I probably put that one on like that. The big one, you want to take the arrow and just match it up with the existing arrow so it matches on the reservoir. You look at your oil cap here, just fits straight on just like that. Oh, super simple. Now, the one difference is the washer fluid reservoir, which is going to be right there. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to pull this existing cap off, and then this just has a gasket that goes around the outside and just fits down into the pipe. It really is that simple. Now, obviously, I didn't pull the backing off any of my adhesive, so I'm not good to go, and I have to go back and do the gas cap, but I'm going to do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, just quick review. Like I said, it takes longer to explain than it is to do this job, but I love it. Looks really good. I think these caps look fantastic. Love having them on the car, including the gas cap cover as well. So make sure to check out the different colors and different options you have for your car. All right, so normally I'd say clean up and put your tools away, but we really didn't need any. So make sure to check out Goldenwrench's options on this. All of the existing colors that they have, plus their ability to match individual colors, which is a new feature, which is just so cool. This is an easy install to help you customize your engine bay and add a little bit of color to it. You can do accenting colors, you can do matching colors, you name it, and your imagination is really the only limit. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes an honest difference to my channel, and I would really appreciate it. That way you get notifications on upcoming projects, new reviews, new products, DIYs, you name it. Lots of great stuff coming. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.